Here's some intro to microbiology trivia. Subscribe. What is the name for bacteria that thrive in high salt concentrations? Is it A. Helophiles, B. Psychrophiles, C. Acidophiles, or D. Oligotrophs? The correct answer is A. Helophiles. Which stain differentiates between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria? Is it A. acid-fast stain, B. gram stain, C. silver stain, or D. methanol fixative? The correct answer is B. gram stain. What component of bacterial cell walls determines gram classification? Is it A. lipopolysaccharide, B. peptidoglycan, C. cell membrane, or D. cytoplasm? The correct answer is B. peptidoglycan. What term refers to the complete genetic material of an organism? Is it A. RNA, B. chromosome, C. allele, or D. genome? The correct answer is D. genome. What do we call microorganisms that can survive harsh environments? Is it A. extremophiles, B. pathogens, C. aerobes, or D. saprophytes? The correct answer is A. extremophiles. Which virus is known for causing the common cold? Is it A. adenovirus, B. influenza virus, C. rhinovirus, or D. coronavirus? The correct answer is C. rhinovirus. What structure protects the genetic material in viruses? Is it A. ribosome, B. capsid, C. cell membrane, or D. nucleus? The correct answer is B. capsid. Which kind of microbes can perform photosynthesis? Is it A. insects, B. algae, C. mammals, or D. reptiles? The correct answer is B. algae. What type of symbiosis benefits one organism while harming another? Is it A. mutualism, B. parasitism, C. commensalism, or D. cooperation? The correct answer is B. parasitism. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.